then.
Today is Thursday, September 19th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro. And I'm Lucas Saavedra. And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome to Time Travel Thursday.
Will we tell you what happened on this day throughout the years?
First, if today's your birthday, you share a birthday with Jimmy Fallon.
And Serena from Love Island.
Now, on to the important announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day. Go